Hey guys, so Oscal, Blackview's sub-brand, quietly released the Oscal C30 and the C30 Pro budget devices. In this video, I'll talk about the Pro version, and in a separate video, I'll compare the Pro version with the standard version, just to show you guys the differences and similarities between the two budget devices. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's head into it. So the Oscal C30 Pro is a budget smartphone with a relatively slim profile of 9.4mm thickness and a weight of 194 grams. The device features a 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS in-cell display with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels. The screen is expected to offer good color reproduction and decent viewing angles. Under the hood, the Oscal C30 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G35 processor, a decent mid-range processor that should handle most daily tasks without any issues. The device comes with 4GB of RAM, and there is an option to expand the memory by an additional 3GB. The 64GB internal storage is sufficient for most users, and it can be expanded up to 256GB via an SD card. The device runs on the Android 12 out of the box with Blackview's custom skin called DocOS 3.0. The camera setup on the Oscal C30 Pro includes a 12MP triple camera setup and an 8MP selfie camera. The camera quality should be decent, but it may not be the best in its price range. The device features a fairly large 5080 mAh battery, which should provide excellent battery life. However, it supports only 10 watts charging, which may take a while to fully charge the device. The device also includes side fingerprint and face unlock support, which should provide additional security options. In conclusion, the Oscal C30 Pro is a budget smartphone with decent specs and features. It should be able to handle most daily tasks without any issues and provide a good user experience. However, it may not be the best option for those looking for a flagship level camera or performance. As for the price of the Oscal C30 Pro, I don't know, but I expect the device to cost less than $200. So that's the Oscal C30 Pro. I'd like to hear your thoughts about this new budget device. Feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.